And on the bench today, I have the 550 watt UNINELL cordless vacuum cleaner. And so far, this thing works awesome. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it. So let's do it. Let me show you what you get. Inside the package, you're gonna get the unit itself. And this thing is lightweight. I really like this thing. You can use it with all the attachments included or not. Underneath of both of the cardboard inserts is the extendable pull we have right here. I'm 6'2", and with this thing fully extended, it worked great for me. And I'll show you some videos over here of me using this. A really easy to read, well done. I feel like it's a well done instruction manual. Everything you need to know is in here. You get an extra HEPA filter, an extra foam filter. There's already a set included in here that are attached when you get it. You get some different attachments on here, and this thing's really cool. It's really easy to attach. You just put the red part up, snap it into place. When you're done, take it off, the new one on. Great for getting everywhere. Same thing with this. Just put it on, extend it out, you're good to go. Take it off. You get this cleaner right here, which is good for cleaning the filter. A little hook if you get carpet problems here. This thing's kind of cool. You get some mounting hardware and a mount, so you can mount this thing on the wall. I'll show you a picture when I mount mine. When you hang this thing on the wall, this thing just sits in here like this and rests against the wall. But there's a little hole in the side, so you can actually plug it in and charge it while it's hanging on the wall. I really like that feature. The vacuum itself has a 550 watt brushless motor, which is surprisingly quiet, and it's able to deliver a maximum suction power of up to 48 kilopascals in turbo mode. There's 3 modes on here, and I'll show you all this. The vacuum uses this 8-cell battery, which is actually more powerful than I thought. They say you can get up to 65 minutes of runtime on a full charge in bare floor mode. I might get a spare battery just to have one on standby, just in case I need it. And you get this charger here. And this cable's it's over 6 foot long. Plenty of room on this cable. The battery has an LED touch display on it. You can monitor the remaining power using these bars right here. There's 4 bars. You can tell what suction mode you're in. You got bare floor, carpet, turbo. When you want to turn it on, you just press this trigger right here. 3 times, you turn it off. If you have any issues, it'll blink to let you know that there's an issue. Like 3 blinks means one thing. I think 5 blinks means that it's overheating. So all the info that you need is right here on this screen, which I think is really cool. Another cool thing about this is it has this sliding brush attachment thing here that just slides on and slides off. You put all your attachments on right here, but if you wanted to just quickly, like say, pick something up off of a countertop, you could just slide this, turn the vacuum on. Something like that would be great for countertop messes or cleaning out your keyboard. When it comes time to clean out your dustbin here, super simple. You just press this button, this lifts off. You've got a HEPA filter right here. They've given you 2 of these. You've got a foam filter here you can take out. This part does come out to the top, so you can take this out and clean it. On the main roller section right here, we have total all kinds of movement. It has LED spotlights on the front, green spotlights to help you see a little better in tight spots. And it also has this V-shaped roller brush, which is kind of neat. I've actually used this for a while, and I don't have anything caught up in here right now, which is good. And one of my favorite things about this vacuum is that it will stand straight up on a flat surface. I actually did it on carpet too. There you go, an awesome lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner that would be great for carpet, furniture, stairs, solid floors, windowsills, cleaning out your car, your keyboard, whatever else you can think of. Very nice.